Hello and welcome to another video from Miniature Tanks Company. In this video, we'll be assembling the M416 trailer. And this is a trailer that was and is used like a Jeep, World War II Jeep. So just take your hobby clippers and let's remove this plastic support material that's underneath these wheel wells. That's the first step of this kit. There you go. And then, in like manner, here's this. Like that. So just cut away at these support plastic pieces here. There you go. That is done. Next, let's take these wheels and let's cut away this plastic. There you go. There you have it. Up next is this whole piece. Lots of pieces here. So carefully cut away the sprues from this piece. I say carefully because you saw how one piece went flying. Which is fine. I found this piece, but just be careful because if some little piece goes flying, it could go into your carpet. Maybe you'll lose it forever. Alright, so there's those little axle pieces for this kit. Next, let's take this and cut away at that. There's that frame type piece for the trailer. And cut away like this. This is the 15mm version. It's available at miniaturetanks.com. And there you can order this trailer in many different scales, but I'm working with the 15mm. It's probably one of the hardest, aside from that small 12mm scale, it's probably one of the hardest scales to work on due to the small parts. But you can always use a magnifying glass or something. Alright. So any step that I'm taking here will just simply be easier with a larger scale. Alright, so take this little teeny, I believe this is the hitch piece. No, this is the piece that holds up the trailer. Yeah, that's done. Good enough. Next, take this sprue, cut that, and then take that and cut that. There's that. And do this. Well, just make sure. There you go. So the cutting away process for this little kit is complete. Let's go ahead and put this frame together. So the first step, let's go ahead and just put a little glue down. I'm using this Loctite glue. You can use any modeling glue for this process. Take your frame piece and glue it down. Alright, so this frame piece is glued down pretty well on this little trailer. Next, you can take this piece and glue it there. So go ahead and put some glue there and there. And then put this piece like that. And there you have it. This little trailer is coming together. Alright, so while this part is drying, I'm going to go ahead and do 2 little steps that just put little drops of glue like this. And go ahead and take these axle pieces. You can take some tweezers or something and make sure that they go in the middle. The axle piece goes in the middle of the wheel, like this. There you go. So, there you go. Next, there's a teeny little piece, really small if you're working with a tiny scale, so be careful. Just put a little bit of glue there, and then take your tweezers, probably. Of course, if you're working with a larger scale, it should be a little easier. And then take, well, you managed to hold this piece, take and put it like that. That's kind of the trailer hitch type piece. There you go. So what's next? Take and put a little glue there, a little glue there, some glue there, and glue there. It takes this wheel that you glued down previously. Go like this. I could go like that. And don't make the mistake like I just did where, okay. You accidentally place your hand on the glue. That's kind of ridiculous. There you go. And then take this wheel and do the same for this other side. What's next is you can go ahead and put some glue here and some glue there, and then you can take this piece, put it in between. Alright, so there's this little trailer. It's coming along. Now you can take and put just a little bit of glue right there. And then take your tweezers, put this little piece like that. And essentially that will hold up the trailer once the glue settles. That'll hold up the trailer like that. And the last step to this process, you can take some glue, put it there. And you can take this bumper piece and put it like that. Well, there is the little Jeep trailer, the M416 trailer from Miniature Tanks Company. Thank you so much for watching.